Alright, so in here I got my Dell back, which will be editing this video here in a minute. But the desktop is the laptop will be a longer video. Anyway, let's see what we got in here, and this is a bit of a clue. And I think that's big enough for this. Alright, now that I'm done with that. So, it's my birthday month, and I decided to buy a little bit of a gift. Note 10. Look at that. That's the Note 10 box. You can see that on the screen. They got like the stylus barely showing up in there. And I'll just throw the box down here. I don't need that. Wow, that's actually quite a nice box. But what we want is what's inside of it. So I guess the knife one more time. And the safety Nazis are gonna say, "Oh, don't hold the knife by the blade." I have health insurance. Swift pays for it. Alright, so there it goes. Alright. Mind you guys, I just cut the tape. I have not seen this. This is a one-shot record. There's no going back. Oh, there's the booklet. Okay. That's kind of cool. There it goes. Alright. So they got like a little pull tab there. I didn't see that at first. Let's take a look, see what's in here real quick, since I have it in my hands. That's empty. And start guide, transfer, blah blah blah. And T-Mobile. That's who I got it from. All the boring stuff. Don't need any of that. So as you guys probably know, I used the Note 8. I had the Note 8 forever, and I decided to get the Note 10. Did not upgrade to the Note 9 when it came out. And we can see the screen is a little bit bigger. This is nice. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Little thing there. We'll put that off to the side. That's information I don't want you guys all to have. Comes with is this the 45 watt? Or the 25? I don't know. I'd have to look that up. I think it's the 25. I think you have to buy the 45 watt, super fast charger separate. Oh, it did come with headphones, even though there's no headphone jack. Wait, there is a headphone jack. There's a headphone jack. Oh, that's the Note 8. Okay, so there's no jack. And earbuds. I got the wrong one. Wow. That's pathetic. So they must gave me a dongle. That's my best guess. There's Type-C to Type-C. I don't need that. USB to Type-C dongle. This is actually very useful to use outside of the cell phone. So very useful to plug stuff up like SD cards or whatever that you don't have a Type-C connection for. Quite useful. Is there anything else in here? Because yes, there is. Okay, that's the little stuff for the S Pen. I'll go ahead and just leave that in the package, and we'll just put that off to the side. Is there anything underneath this? Doesn't sound like it. Now these headphones that Samsung gives are actually really nice. High quality. I like them personally. And these don't want to come out very easily. So there's the extra ones. Oh, it's a Type-C, so there's no dongle. Unlike Apple, they didn't make it a dongle, so it's just a Type-C. Oh, I like that. That's actually really clean. It's not like Apple. It's just a Type-C, so it just plugs right in. Sweet. So yeah, even though that Samsung took out the headphone jack, you get this. This is underreported. This is actually, I think, really cool. Especially for the fact that this has a really big battery, the 45 charging and blah blah. I mean, I'm not trying to sell you guys the phone. The phone sells itself. Yeah, call me a Samsung fanboy. I like their phone. They got all these on like a little card thing. That's kind of cool. Small detail. Alright, let's move all this off to the side. Let's just put it all right there. Along with that, I'll save all that later. And let's turn this thing. Oh wow, that's nice. You see, the back is so reflective. You can see me right there. Haha. Behind this camera. This is actually a pretty good camera. Anyway. You can see me on this side too, of course, but okay. Power button. There's nothing on this side. Power button's right here, and let's turn it on. Now, I probably would do a video on this in a couple weeks after I use it. But I'm like 99% sure I'm going to love it, just like I did my Note 8. Now, with my Note 8, while this boots up...
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Okay, that was really quick. I expected that to take longer.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
Yeah, I'll leave the diagnosis.
You can restore the settings and contents from your old device. It will not be difficult. Wi-Fi would be quite handy here.
I'm actually going to finish this part off camera, but let me just put this off to the side right up here and finish what I was going to say. So this is the Note 8, and you know, with me being a truck driver, you know, these steely magnets are really awesome, and I don't have a case for this, so this is probably going to be like a truck phone, and then this is going to be my everyday phone. I don't know yet. Stay tuned. Watch for the next video, and I kind of explain how I'm going to set all this up later. But thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And I'll let you know what I think of the Note 10 shortly, as there's already a lot of videos on it. So yeah, Note 10. Note 10 Plus 512G. Yeah, good shit. Later.